Week number 2 of 50 words per week. I have to apologize, guys. Right off the bat, I forgot this word жизнь. I don't know how I skipped a line. Жизнь means life. That was supposed to be in our first video, so here it is. And I see you guys' comments saying that you've been waiting for these series. I love that you are excited for these series as much as I am too. We didn't have this kind of like a long-term learning together for a while now. We used to have some segments like 3 or 4 years ago, but with the format of YouTube, I thought it was not gonna fit that much, but I think that it's needed for our subject. We have to do long-term learning anyway, so here we are again. And this is week 2. If you didn't see week 1, go there first. We're gonna continue building upon that. And if you don't know a word or two from that list, then you really are hurting yourself, and you're not really. You're gonna see the results of your negligence like 2 years down the line. So go ahead and click it right now and watch it right now. I hope that you have studied week number 1's words. And in fact, let me check if you have. What's the word думать? What does it mean? Думать. Думать means to think. What about можно? What does можно mean? Можно means it is allowed to. And lastly, what is время года? Время года is time of the year. If you didn't study the words yet, shame on you. Go to Be Fluent. We have a system prepared for you. You don't have to think about studying new words. Just click Mix Training and go through the words that you have added last week. It works. It's gonna work wonders for your long-term vocabulary building. Okay? And today we have a second list of 50 words. We're gonna cover some possessive pronouns like my, your. We're gonna have numbers. We're gonna have a lot of adjectives of colors and some family members. That's gonna be our list for today. Once again, this entire list of 50 words is available on Be Fluent. Just see right here, you click plus and it's added to your vocabulary. You can practice it with audios, with translations, with pictures to make sure that this information sticks for a long time. Like I said previously, we have a system that will ensure long-term memory building. Not short-term, like 1 or 2 days, long-term. Years and years and years. If you are already a member of Be Fluent, first link is for you. Click that and add the list to your vocabulary. If you're not a member yet, click the second link. We have a 7-day free trial. In fact, before the next video, that 7-day period, you can practice this and the first week's vocabulary. And you can see how your vocabulary improves in just 7 days. And then you're gonna want to stay with us for a long, long time for sure. Let's start with possessive pronouns. Мой means my. Твой means your, singular. Ваш means your, plural or formal. And наш means our. That's the first 4 words. If describing objects, you can use one of these to outline who owns something. Мой, my phone, my car, etc. All of these are extremely important for our basic communication. And 3 more, его, ее, and их. Его means his or also its. We have the same exact word for masculine and for neuter gender too. Ее means her and их means their. This word его. Его, even though it's spelled его, we say его. As if this g is a v sound. These possessive pronouns are truly important for us to describe possession. Really, really important stuff. Now let's move on to numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how we count in Russian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I hope that you can remember this all as well as part of a table. Maybe even take a screenshot right now and repeat this sometime in the future, like in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And this latter part, 9 and 10. Just a 1-letter difference between 9 and 10. But this next word is kind of a part of this counting list, and the word is раз. Раз means 1. When we count like 1, 2, 3, if you see objects and you count them, We do not say один, два, три. We don't say it like that. We say раз, два, три. Why is that? I'm not sure, because maybe раз is a one-syllable word, and so раз, два, три is more comfortable than один, два, три, because один is a two-syllable word, especially if we count down the rhythm. Let's say if we are doing a dance. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Раз, два, три, раз, два, три, раз, два, три. Easy. But if I say один, два, три, один, you see it's offbeat. Один, два, три, один, два, три, один, it's not going to be the same rhythm anymore. That's why раз is used for one when counting things. But раз can also mean time, like amount of times that something has happened. Like один раз, one time. Два раза, two times. Раз is a very crucial word. It's a very unique word that has multiple applications. Now we're going to move on to colors. Белый means white. Белый. Голубой means light blue. In Russian, we don't have just one blue. We have голубой as a specific color for light blue, because we also have синий. Синий means actual regular blue. Синий. Then we have желтый. Желтый means yellow. Желтый. Зеленый means green. Зеленый. And also, down the line, we will learn words that mean like greens, like vegetables. They'll also have the same stem as this word, зеленый. Next is коричневый. Коричневый means brown. Коричневый. Then we have красный. Красный means red. Красный. Оранжевый means orange. Оранжевый. I mean, you can see that it's clear that it's orange from translation too, because it sounds very similar. Оранжевый and orange. Then we have розовый. Розовый is pink. Розовый. Then we have серый. Серый means gray. Серый. You know, in fact, if you know anybody named Sergey or Sergei in Russian, they most likely have had a nickname Serый. Serый, we had 3 guys in our class named Sergei, and all of them, we can call them Serый. It's just like a cool, easy nickname because it sounds very similar to their name. Then we have фиолетовый. Фиолетовый means violet or purple. Фиолетовый. And finally, черный. Черный means black. Черный. Then we have just a handful of verbs. Сидеть means to sit, like what I'm doing right now. Сидеть. Делать means to do, and it's imperfective. You will learn this aspect in Russian, but we have to have this distinction right now because the next one is the same exact stem as this word, but it's going to be different aspect. Сделать. Сделать also means to do or to make something, but it's perfective. The difference between the two is that делать is more of a process. I am doing something, while сделать focuses on the outcome of the action. Once again, you will learn this aspect rule later in your Russian journey. For now, it's not really needed just yet. But what is needed is this next word, понимать. Понимать means to understand, to comprehend something. Понимать. Now let's move on to calling people, and it's nouns for different people, family members, or just simple humans. Девочка means a girl. Девочка. Similar sounding word, девушка. Девочка, девушка for this one. Девушка, young lady. Девушка. And женщина is a woman. Женщина. From this word, we have another one deriving жена. Жена means a wife. Жена. Also, we can have women be мать, which is like a mother, very, very formal мать. And mama is mom, a bit more between like the son and the mother. Mama is used, but мать is more of an official formal language, like mother. You never call your mom mother. Hey mother, hello. We don't ever say it like that. So мать is mother, but mama is mom. Now moving on to guys. Мальчик is a boy. Мальчик. Мужчина is a man. Мужчина. And notice how I pronounce this zh and ch. I don't say мужчина. We don't say it like that. We say мужчина. Мужчина. And from this word, we have a word deriving muž, husband, muž. In some older language, muž, you can also refer to a man by muž, but in everyday life right now, that's gone. Muž is a husband. Отец is a father, formal, official father, отец. And papa for dad, papa. Then we have ребенок for a child, ребенок, сын for son, and дочь for daughter, дочь. And to sum it all up, it's all семья, family, семья. As you can tell, these words are extremely crucial. Mom, dad, son, daughter, all of that. And make sure that this sticks with you for a long time. That you don't forget these 50 words, by the time we get to week 6. Practice this with Be Fluent. We have a system already ready to go for you guys. If you don't have one of your own right now, that would be a great source of just practicing of vocabulary. Check it out with this button right here, or keep on watching our YouTube videos with this next one. It's up to you.